I've come to the last two of today's announcements. One relate to the real estate, which is what I'm doing now. The next has direct taxation related reliefs, which has three different aspects. So the last two, one is on the real estate and the next is on the taxation. In the real estate matter, the Urban Development Ministry shall issue advisory to the states and the union territories so that the regulatory authorities are given clear picture that they can treat the COVID-19 period as an event where you can invoke the force measure. In other words, they can treat it as an act of God, and to that extent be flexible about the execution of the contract signed. This will also mean that with the necessary changes, they will have to issue fresh project registration certificates. They can extend the registration and the completion dates. Suo motu, they can do it by 6 months for all registered projects, expiring on or before 25th March 2020. So using the force majeure clause, they can suo motu extend the registration and completion date by 6 months if the project was registered on or after 25th March 2020. So there need not be individual applications separately for it. They can suo motu do it. They can also issue fresh project registration certificate automatically with revised timelines. So this way, people who had entered into a contract and got fixed because of the coronavirus will not suffer. These measures, we think, will de-stress developers, and real estate industry, which is already in difficulty, will benefit with the new timelines.